Hello everyone, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to continue chapter 5 user defined methods. The objectives of my today's topic are you will learn actual and formal parameters, returning from methods, the return statement and returning values. Students, please open your book at page number 90. Key terms. Actual parameters, the parameters that appear in method call. Number 2, formal parameters, the parameters that appear in method definition. Number 3, return, a keyword that causes the control to transfer back to the method call. Now we will discuss all these concepts in detail. Look at program number 5.2 on page number 90. Here, a class is there, compute cube demo. This box demonstrates method definition and X is a formal parameter. Formal parameters are also known as dummy parameters. Then, public void compute cube. In it, I am calling find cube method. This is a function call. This num is the actual parameter, the argument that we pass at the runtime. Our next topic is features of return statement. Number 1, it is applied at the end of the method from where it terminates. Means we should write return statement at the end of the method. Number 2, no statement in the method can be executed after return statement. It means return statement is the last statement of the method. Number 3, it can return only a single value from a method to its caller. That is, return statement returns only one value. Number 4, a function may have more than one termination points. This is the case where we use if-else in our function. Then in if-else, either if or else will be executed. Number 5, in case of multiple return statements, only one of them can be activated to return the control. Means at a time we can run only one return statement. The return type of function must be compatible to the value returned from the function. For example, if I am giving public return means integer type. So integer type must have the return of integer type. Double type must have the return of double type. Float type must have the return of float type. Number 7, if the function does not return value to the main function, then the header of the function should be indicated with void. Means we have to write public void sum. Now I am going to show you all these features with the help of a program in future. Now here I am going to create a class named demo to show you the execution of the return statement. Double click, Control A. Now I am going to make a class, public class demo, in which I will create a function public void add. Then in my function I will take variables int a is equals to 10, int b is equals to 20, int c is equals to a plus b. Now I will print its value system.out.println in bracket I will write down c. Now I will close this function. Then I will write down main method in order to call my function. And I will create an object over here. Demo d is equals to new demo. And now with the help of this object, I will call my function d dot add. Then semicolon. Then I will close my bracket. At the end, I have finished my program. Now I will compile my program, minimize it and see my result. The result is 30. Now I'm going to use return statement over here. For that, I must write over here any data type. Let's suppose I have written int. Now here I will write return int. C means the value that stores my answer. And then I will compile my program. See, in this program there is no error, but this C is returning to its method call. Let's see its output. Right click, void main. See students that there is no terminal window. Why? Because C is returning something to its method. So I have to store it in a value. Int z equals to d dot add. And now system dot out dot print ln, in bracket I will write down set. Now when I will compile this program, no errors, minimize it, right click, void main, and the answer is 30. Now I'm going to tell you the features of return statement in the same program. Let's suppose I have written over here int d is equals to a minus b, and in my program here I return d and then enter. So when I will compile my program, error is there. See the error, unreachable statement, because we have to use only one return statement in our program. This is the first feature of return statement. Second feature, if I write void over here and I am returning something from the program, again error is there. See the error, incompatible types, unexpected return value, because when we use void, a function does not return anything. So I will write down int over here. Now next feature, if I write tar over here and now I compile my program, again it shows the error. And what is the error? Incompatible types, because here it is int in my function and here I am using the data type char. So it is also not the feature of return statement to use the different data types. So here I will write down int. Next is return statement must return a single value. If I write C, D over here, then also see the output, compile. Again it is showing an error that it is expected. Why? Because return can return the single value to its method call, and this is the method call. So now we have learned all the features of return statement as well as actual and the formal parameters. Students, do practice the related programs from your book on Blue J. Thank you.